Hello everyone. I study about Streamlit Python. Streamlit is a free and open source framework to rapidly build and share beautiful machine learning and data science web application. It is a Python-based library especially designed for machine learning engineer. One of the important aspect of making an application successful is to deliver it with an effective and intuitive user interface. Many of the modern data heavy apps face the challenge of building an effective user interface quickly without talking complicated steps. Streamlit is a promising open source Python library which enables developers to build attractive user interface in no time. Property of a Streamlit. First is no front end HTML, CSS, JavaScript experience or knowledge it is required. Second is it is has worked on easy and creative web app. Third is it is compatible with a majority of Python libraries. Example: Pandas, MATLAB, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, Keras, PyTorch, SAMPy, LaTeX. How to use Streamlit? First is work on install Streamlit on Windows. Second is after install create your environment. Third is open the terminal. Display text with Streamlit. Import Streamlit as st. Import pandas as pd. Then first st.write hello let's learn build to a Streamlit app together. I define st.write. This function is used to add anything to a web app from formatted string to chart in Matplotlib figure, alter charts, Plotly figure, data frame, Keras model and others. st.titles. This is the app title. This is defined as st.titles. This function allows you to add the title of the app. st.markdown. This is the markdown. It is defined as this function is used to set a markdown of a section. st.header. This is the header. st.header is defined as the section is used to set headers of a section. st.subheader. This is the subheader. This is defined as this function is used to set subheader of a section. st.caption. This is the caption. It is defined as this is used to write caption. st.code x equal to 2021. Then it is defined as this function is used to set a code. st.latex r triple inverted comma a plus a into r cap 1 plus a into r cap 2 plus a into r cap 3 dash dash dash. Then it is defined as this function is used to display mathematical expression formatted as latex. st.subheader image st.image ast2.png. This is available on here. st.image ast2 .png. This is image. It is defined as this function is used to display media and Streamlit, and so on. I explained about a Streamlit framework, and all library is available in this code, and try to practice on VS Code. Then I describe on his performance on then result, then new terminal, and I write Streamlit run, then Streamlit practice dot py. I run. I create a new command prompt, and I run a Streamlit run a Streamlit practice dot py. Then I get, and my all answer is this is the result of my code. Here I uploaded my files, and this is the balloon and progress bar. Here wait the execution, and then I get result. This is, and you did it in the my code, and get result. Here is the sidebar. This is explained about my code, and so thank you.